YouTube, what's up? I got dressed up for this lesson. Comb my hair. This is Lord Huron, Mine Forever. All right, this is like a kind of like a tribute to songs of the 1960s, about like the early 1960s. So maybe like some of the groups like the Ronettes or the Turtles or the Hollies or the Trogs, kind of like that early 60s music before they got full-on psychedelic. But they were, kind of like, between psychedelic and between the 50s. I got a cable on the 3rd fret. And there's some just slight variations in the chord progressions, so but we're going to kind of cover each section. And if you ever want to see my face again, I want to know. If you ever want something, please let me know. Okay, that's the first, that's the verse. Okay, there's 2 parts to it. The first part is if you have E, B minor, A, back to E. Then it goes to E minor. That's if you ever wanna me know. And then it goes D A. So the second part is E minor. If you ever wanna. Stays on the A for like 2 measures. And at the end they go, oh wow. And the beginning, it goes in just in the G minor pentatonic kind of shape. But at the end, it goes to 4, 2 on the A string. Those are not in the minor pentatonic. So it's got some outside notes because it's doing funky things with the chords. All right, but that's the verse. E, B minor, A back to E, and then E, D, A for 2 measures. And then I think at the end they might go. Just something like that to punctuate it. Got a clean sound with a lot of reverb and some delay. Alright, the next section, I think I'll call the chorus, is E, G, A, E. It's like, don't laugh, you make me cry. Then it goes, what is the word? So long, good luck, goodbye. Alright, so that section is E, G, A, E. And then it goes up. replaces the A this time with F minor. F minor, F sharp minor. Back to E. Alright, that's the chorus. There is a bridge section. That's the section where the female singers come in. They're like da 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 da. That's kind of like a bridge is da 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 da. That's where the singers come in. They start going da 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 da. That's why I say there's kind of like a. It's kind of like a reference to some of the great girl groups of the '60s. And then they're like, love is strange, can't sleep without it. Maybe in the grave, I dream about you. Maybe in the grave, I'll dream about you. Okay, that's the third part. And I think that's the last part of the song. So, yeah, so, and then the guitar solos are mostly in G minor pentatonic, but there's some outside notes mixed in because, like, when they go to that E minor, it changes, you know, what notes will work over it. So just have to mess around with that, I guess, for you to play the chords and to sing it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps me out. All right, bye.